Gaines Creek Estate has a 10,000 square foot custom one-owner home that is sited on 159 acres with Lake Eufaula frontage on the east and beautiful lake views to the north. Constructed in 2007, no expense was spared in creating a warm and inviting home that encourages gathering with family and friends. The 3 levels of the home consist of a main level with entry, living room, den, office with wet bar, amazing kitchen with an AGA gas stove, formal dining, breakfast area, master suite, guest bedroom with bath, laundry room, powder room, and 5-car garage. The lower level sports a massive game room with sitting area, fireplace, large wet bar with a built-in ice maker, wine rack, a half bath, a theater room with a large screen, projector, and added storage, a craft room, guest bedroom, and a 3/4 bath. 2 additional rooms can be utilized as you desire. The upper level sports 3 bedrooms, an exercise room, living area with fireplace, office, and 2.5 baths. You can walk out onto the 18 by 22 hardy plank balcony with custom wrought iron and wood railing to take advantage of the beautiful lake views and mountains in the distance. The yard is professionally landscaped with a sprinkler system, a 15 by 30 heated in-ground swimming pool, hot tub, and privacy fence. Recreational opportunities on the 159 acres include hunting, fishing, nature hikes past the ponds and streams to the lake, and 4-wheeling. Come view the Gaines Creek Estate 159 acres today.